Hey guys, Mark McMahon Real Estate here, talking to you today about how to start real estate investing broke. Hey, if that sounds good, exciting, wonderful, hit the like button, subscribe, and sign up for notifications so you can see my new videos getting dropped almost every day now because Allie's kicking some ass. All right, so how do you get started broke? Well, I got started broke 12 years ago almost. And it was the best thing that ever happened to me. The reason why I like starting broke is because you've got nothing to lose, people. There's nothing to lose. If you have money, you tend to be more careful. So starting broke is good. How do you start broke, though? Most people talk about how you buy real estate with no money, but they don't really explain how to buy real estate with no money. So I'll tell you how. Here's how we did it the first time. We found a deal, and we actually ended up using credit cards to do the rehab. And you might say, well, I don't have credit cards. Well, there's another way to do it. It's called private money. And I know we've talked about this before, but it is truly the best way to do real estate without any money. How does it work? All right, when you buy real estate, you typically have to put a down payment down and then you have a loan, right? All right, this kind of eliminates all of that. Private money is money from people that you know, that trust you and want to work with you because you've been telling them all these great stories about real estate for so long and all your investing. Whether you've been working with someone else, whether you've been working with a mentor, whether you're taking a class or you actually have some in the field experience. All right, so you're telling your story, people are getting excited for you. Who doesn't want to hear a great story about flipping a house or buying real estate? Everybody does. Trust me on this. I know what I'm talking about because that's exactly how we got started. My wife started blogging about it and people started, not bragging, blogging. And people started calling us and saying, hey, I'd like to get involved. How do I do it? And it was just through a couple of years of trying that and figuring out what worked. We got the contracts together. We figured out how we could put it all together. We started using private money as down payments. Then we started using it to buy the entire thing, getting it all wrapped up, and then getting bank financing once the whole thing had seasoned with tenants. And that would be called the BRRRR method. So that is exactly how you get started with no money. A lot of details. If you go to my Instagram, there's a ton of videos on private money. If you go down below, Allie will put a couple of videos down there about how to raise private money. Guys, this is by far the most important thing you can learn with real estate investing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, check out these two videos. They're really going to help you on your investment journey. I'm also on Instagram. Tons of great video content there. Really good stuff. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.